Hello children, so we are here again for the science class, and where I am standing in the kitchen because we are going to do an experiment in the kitchen. So the experiment which we are going to do today, it is about soil contains water. As you know children, that if anything contains water and if we will heat it up, what will happen? Water vapor rise up. And when those water vapors come in the contact with any surface area, it turns into water droplets. So same thing we are going to do today. For that we need a pan, and we'll take a sample of a soil from the garden I took already. And what I am going to do, I'll just put it into the pan. And now I'll keep it on the, and I'll cover it with the lid. And now we have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 or 15 minutes, when we will see, we'll observe that water droplets are there on the inside of the lid. So in spite of waiting, I already kept one more pan on the other side of the stove. And here already I kept the soil. And for that 15 minutes is already done. So we can see that on the lid water vapors are there. Yes, you can see on the inside of the lid we can see the water vapors. It means that soil contains water. So this experiment shows that soil contains water. If you want to perform this experiment, you have to perform in the presence of your parents. Okay children? Now one more experiment is there, and that is about soil contains air. For that we need one jar and a sample of a soil, and we have to put it into the jar. And now we have to pour a glass of water, and when we will pour a glass of water, we can see the bubbles. And do you know why we can see the bubbles? Because soil contains air. So those bubbles are nothing but a part of air, because air trapped in the soil, and when we pour the water, it will come out in the form of the bubbles. Now you can see the bubbles. Yes, yeah. So these bubbles are nothing but air which trapped in the soil that come out in the form of the bubbles. So it shows that soil contains air. So these two experiments you can perform, but in the presence of your parents. Okay children? So children, stay at your home and take care. Bye-bye.